According to thy gracious word, in meek humility, this will I do, my dying Lord. I will remember thee, thy body broken for my sake, my bread from heaven shall be, thy testamental cup I take, and thus remember thee. When to the cross I turn mine eyes and rest on Calvary, O Lamb of God, my sacrifice, I must remember thee. Remember thee and all thy pains and all thy love to me. Yea, while of wrath a pulse remains, I will remember thee. Then of thy grace I'll know the sum, and in thy likeness be, when thou hast in thy kingdom come, and dost remember